Welcome to the interactive free Python lab. This is your launchpad into the world of programming with Python, suitable for complete beginners and those looking to expand their skills. Our course is divided into 21 structured sections covering everything from the basics to advanced techniques. Each section guides you through complex topics in a clear and effective manner to ensure a solid understanding. Hands-on experience is vital when learning programming. With over 400 real-life examples, you will get the opportunity to apply what you've learned instantly and effectively. What sets our course apart is its intuitive and interactive design. This approach makes learning engaging and ensures that complex concepts are easily understandable. Join us in supporting this innovative initiative that makes programming education accessible to everyone. Become part of a movement that empowers learners with the skills needed to create their own projects and solve real-world problems. Start your programming journey with Python through our practical and engaging course. The course link is available on our channel. Thank you for watching.